Hi there again everyone, and good day. Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I've shown you how to install Python 3.12 in Ubuntu 22. It is a requirement of Udo 19 Community Edition because Udo 19 runs on Python 3.12. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install uh, PostgreSQL, particularly version 18, which is the backend SQL used by Udo 19. It's very important that you install this because we will not be able to create databases without PostgreSQL, although we are going to run Udo 19 in the local host. I know you had a hard time installing your Python, so therefore, in this video, I'm not going to show you how to install PostgreSQL and pgadmin uh, line per line because it's a much more complicated process. However, I'm going to show you a script which is you can download from one of my GitHub repositories. No? I'm going to give the GitHub repository description below. So here it is. Now you can also see my other previous installation scripts. You're just going to copy this, okay? And primarily have request ChatGPT to purge the script with extra characters because that usually happens when you copy text from uh, from a web page. So you go to ChatGPT and then you say, please purge unnecessary characters, and paste the script there from the GitHub repository. Okay, it's from the GitHub repository. I'll just press Ctrl A and then copied it. Okay, and then pasted it in, and then there it is. There's a clean repository, okay, which you can now copy and paste uh, in your command line in Ubuntu, in your command line terminal. For example, to copy to paste in Ubuntu, you have Control Shift D. So there it is. I have already executed this, so I will not run it anymore. Okay, you'll have to run it and wait for a few minutes. It runs from 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. Now later, after you have installed your Postgres, you may have a difficulty in connecting to PostgreSQL. That's probably because you must have installed the wrong user or password, although it's already encoded here. Now, if you want to customize your own credentials in PostgreSQL, in the script below, in the last 4 lines, I have there a script which you can run in your terminal line per line. This will allow you to change your PostgreSQL password to Postgres, or you can change it any way you like. And just don't forget to press the /q, /q in order to quit the SQL command line. Now I cannot upload this in the description below because YouTube does not allow special characters like this. So you'll have to find the script in the GitHub repository, which I've indicated in the description below. Now after you run this script, okay, you can now test run uh, by looking for PostgreSQL in your Ubuntu search. No? So you say pgadmin4. Okay. In my case, I've right-clicked this and added this to my favorites. So therefore, I have it in my dock like this. Okay, so I have my pgadmin4. Now, to demonstrate the process, let me remove the server which I have created. Okay. So this is the initial PostgreSQL that you have. In order to connect to your server, you'll have to uh, create a connection. So you go to servers, you right click and then register a server. Okay, the name of our server, you can name it any name, but it's good if you can specify PostgreSQL 18. We do not connect for now, so we'll not have a problem connecting. And then our host is localhost, and then our password is Postgres. We save this password so that you don't have to type this every time, and we click save. Now, in order to connect to the server, you'll have to click this line. Okay, it asked me for a password. It was not saved, most probably. So I'll just type it here and click OK. There it is. So now I'm logged into my SQL server. So I hope you follow. The script makes it a lot easier. You find it in my GitHub repository. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install VS Code in Ubuntu 22 because we are going to install Udo 19 Community Edition, the whole source code using VS Code and the terminal there in order to generate our necessary Python script. Bye for now and see you in the next video.